What if I told you that 5 simple rules could add $50,000 to your net worth in just 12 months? Sounds crazy, right? But these aren't secrets reserved for Wall Street bankers or trust fund kids. These are strategies anyone can start using today, whether you're making minimum wage or 6 figures. Let me break them down. Rule number 1. Pay yourself first before rent, before groceries, before that streaming subscription. Move money into savings, even if it's just $20 per paycheck. Here's why this works. When you save what's left over, there's never anything left. But when you automate savings before you see the money, your brain adjusts to living on less. Start with 10% of every dollar you earn. Rule number 2. The 24-hour rule. Before any purchase over $50, wait 1 full day. That jacket you absolutely needed? By tomorrow, you'll probably forget about it. This single habit can save you thousands annually on impulse purchases you never actually wanted. Rule number 3. Make your money work while you sleep. Every dollar sitting in a regular checking account is losing value to inflation. Move your emergency fund to a high-yield savings account. Look into low-cost index funds for long-term growth. Your money should be an employee that never stops working. Rule number 4. Track every single dollar. I know, it sounds tedious, but here's the truth. Most people have no idea where 30% of their income actually goes. Use an app, use a spreadsheet, use a notebook. When you see that you spent $400 on food delivery last month, your behavior changes fast. Rule number 5. Increase income, not just cut expenses. There's a limit to how much you can save, but there's no ceiling on how much you can earn. Learn a skill, start a side hustle. Ask for that raise. Spend 1 hour each day building something that generates extra income. Now here's the real magic. These rules compound. One good habit leads to another. That extra income you earned gets automatically saved, then invested, then grows while you sleep. 12 months from now, you won't believe the difference. Pick one rule, just one. Start today. Your future self is counting on you to make this decision right now. Which rule are you starting with? Drop it in the comments.